Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a Likkle Everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and thank you so much for your continued support. Now this morning we are in Cobbler, Manchester, and if you would have seen the video that we did with Miss Rita, you'd have recognized the path. And so we are going to be visiting her today. So we're basically just giving you an update. All right, so come along with us. Please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to the channel. So once we do a new video, you will be notified. All right, so let's go on this journey. Wow. It's still far. It rained yesterday, so it can't, the path is a bit slippery. And so today, guys, we have Trimel with us, our daughter. She doesn't have school today, and as a result, she is just making the journey with us today. So we're happy to have her, though I know she's not enjoying going down this very, very long hill. But nonetheless, she's here. Okay, this is kind of... Give me a hand, Trim. It's not to pull me back, you know?
Yeah, me just... No, me have to hold it tight so you don't drop.
Just have to be careful. You have to be careful. Boy, Trimel, you don't have to grab me up like that. Oh boy. So guys, we were supposed to come yesterday. However, it rained very, very heavy yesterday. And so we had to postpone until today. Because I figure once it was raining, then we would be able to come down so easily. So it's not too bad this morning, even though it rained. You can see where the path, you know, is actually drying up. So that's good. Oh, wow. So, okay. It's not too bad now because we finished the hill. So we're on the flatter part. What is it, Trimel? Somebody is working, have spraying their Irish potato. Okay. So Miss Rita there shows that we are close. Mighty, mighty. And so we have some things in the bag that we have to take down. And Marcel has a box around there while he's recording. So it's not too easy this morning. The last time we came, we never had anything bring in. So now we have a little load. Huh? Right. So now we have additional items. The bag is a bit heavy. And then we have a box with some food. So Trimel has a bag with some clothes. Oh, you remember this? I used to eat this when I used to go to like primary school.
What is it?
I don't remember what they call it, but it's like a grape like.
So I gotta eat it now?
No.
So what happens to then?
Nothing. Well, I don't know if it's get any spray, so you can't eat it. When we were younger, we never concerned about that. But now we have to be more cautious. Oh my God, this part's slippery. Careful. Wow. Yeah, take it easy, Jamal. What? Miss Rita. Oh Lord, they couldn't send a donkey come meet us. Oh my God. How are you?
I'm okay.
Okay. It's a good thing we never came yesterday because a lot of rain. Because the path is a bit slippery. Yeah, more than a bit. Morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
We just apart.
When you came?
The 15-year-old.
Yes, he's on job experience.
Okay, okay. Okay. Oh, wow.
And the babies did want to meet you.
Oh, I wanted to meet them too. You sent me a picture of them and wow, it's very nice to see them.
Okay.
Yeah. So, Miss Rita.
Yes.
We're here this morning. We don't waste no time, you know. We're here this morning because based on the video that we did, the last time we have 2 donors who would have reached out to us. Well, more persons would have reached out to us, but we have 2 donors who would have sent us some funds. One of them, you know, wanted us to purchase a solar light for you.
Okay.
Right, and so the other person, so this one would go on the inside.
Yes, miss.
And then we had another donor, which is the second donor, who sent us some funds as well. And so we saw it fit to purchase another one for you as well. So in all, you have 2. So we want to say to our donors, or 2 donors who would have contributed so that Miss Rita can have the solar light to aid the children in studying, you know, and doing their assignments. So I want to say to the donors, you know, on behalf of Miss Rita, you know, thank you, because of your help, we are now able to present to her these solar lights this morning so the children can, you know, do their assignment. So I know it will go a far way. So our 2 donors, anonymous donors, are from the UK. You know yourselves. So thank you so much for this most kind gesture. All right, and so as a result of you, Miss Rita now has some solar lights that we'll install in a little while.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yes.
That's a big help.
Yes, yes.
Thanks to the donors. Thanks for giving me the lights. So my kids can have light to do homework and assignments. Thank you very much.
Okay, okay. All right, so and along with that, would have brought some clothes for the children. Not a lot, but I know you'll appreciate it nonetheless. And also some food.
Okay.
All right, so guys, we're going to be, well, not me, but Mr. Kemp is going to do the installation of the lights in a moment, so you'll see that. So how has things been going since last we came?
Well, it's rough, but I'm going on.
When you say rough, what you mean?
This week, all week, I don't get any work.
Oh, you don't work all week?
No.
Okay.
But the kids I've sent them to school.
Yes.
Yes, with the help of Miss Bennett, same way. Her son and her daughter-in-law.
Okay, they help a great deal.
Yes, and they go to school.
Okay, okay.
They've been going to school from Monday.
All right, so we do this now? Okay, all right. So Miss Rita, you're going to show me where in the house you want us to install these. They're solar lights. So you should be okay, because even though I know you had asked for help with electricity, a lot of persons had concerns about the distance where you live. You know, some persons wanting to find out if it is that you couldn't get closer to the road.
No, we don't have anywhere closer to the road.
You don't have anywhere closer to the road. Right, and so that's one of the major concern, and additional concerns would have been here so far. So if you were to get the help with, you know, the fixing up of the house, how the material would get down here.
As I said, we wouldn't take it this way because it would be harder for us to bring it this way.
The way that we just came.
Yes, so we would have to take it around that way, around there. So it would be easier, but we'd have to burn out the road. That's the material can drop up there. We can use burrow and bucket to bring it down.
This is a driving road?
Yes.
Okay, and
a part of it just needs to push back out. Because Jacob man have a property up there. He plows the land. So when the rain fall, the dirt wash in the road. So we'd have to push it out back.
Oh, okay, I see. All right. All right, so for now, let's just install these and, you know. All right. My knees are trembling. Oh, my God. All right, so we're going to put that one, Marcel.
Put one right, because this one is panel.
That dog over there is living the life, I'm telling you. He's just, you know.
I'll drop.
2 batteries. Hold this string. Put it on your back.
Give me one there in the box. The bug.
Okay. Hold on. Okay, you see that? You have to go show her how to use the remote, Marcel, when we finish. Oh, Lord have mercy.
No, I left something.
You left something? Oh, the spanner. Put it there right over the table, pointing to them.
You know, if it point directly on them now.
No.
It's not strong either.
That board is weak.
You can't go on the wall over there.
Yeah, I tell you why problem. I don't have nothing to bore wall.
Yeah, because you want some concrete inside.
Oh, you can't go on that because it might go pull out and it fall to the ground. No, careful. Uh-oh. Yeah,
Chimel, take out one of them screw there and give me a drill.
Oh, shoes.
No, man, you can come inside.
Oh, it's a buck and something, man.
Nail up there.
I nail, because I nail, I have to put it on. Turn on, let me see it.
Where's the remote? See there, Trimel. Okay.
You light up here?
Yeah. What you looking for?
Yeah, I want to run, go outside.
Oh, so you can get the panel.
Yeah, but I can't go up on the roof.
No, sir.
Oh,
I
wow.
do have to do something
Or
like
the roof can't hold me.
No, you can't hold you either.
Okay. So you get another approval from Trimel a while ago.
I tell you, Chimel, yeah.
Oh my goodness. It's just 2 cocky fan?
You want more?
You want another one, Marcel?
I use one, next one is to reinforce it.
All right.
That one gone.
Go get another one, bring for you.
Wait, the one in there? Alright.
It's just a little cocky one, Marcel. You see a big one.
Yeah?
This one big carp. You don't want it too big.
No.
Oh my word. We have to be improvising. So we'll make wash out. She's going to get another one. Where? Miss Rita gonna look another one.
This one?
Yeah, maybe you could have put another one just to, you know.
Rita, you carry two.
You know why you said our back out there? But we probably gonna need some more for the other lights. It work now? Lord have mercy. Okay. Yeah, there you go. So the next part now is to figure out how to get the panel on the outside so it can be exposed to the sunlight.
I want to get some of the early morning sun.
So it can charge up.
How may I reach up there?
That's a question.
Don't know how you're going to reach up there.
Let me see.
This is going to use under the drum.
Lord of mercy. God. Mission impossible. Unless you're going to get it on the wall on the out here, so.
Put it on the wood.
Yeah, you'd have to bore a hole in the ceiling and run it and get it right on the wall.
This I go run go inside, so.
Because going on the roof not look feasible at the moment. Maybe if I had a ladder. What happened to the dog?
Dogs are just noisy sometimes.
Yeah. So we just emptying we just emptying this drum because we don't have any way to get up to the wall. So we had to just throw away some of the water so we can get the use of the drum. Yeah, we are without resources. We have a ladder that we wanted to bring, but thinking about the journey, it was not feasible at all. And it's hard to bring in the car trunk. You hear them something here? Lord have mercy, the Lord soon provide it, Marcel. And that not steady, you know. Lord have mercy. You want, let me hold on to it there.
You know, we go with me when me climb
because, Chumel, you got it? Oh my God. Because Marcel's foot is just healing and not even fully healed.
Okay.
Because he fell off. A ladder fell over with him in August and he has been hopping around until even now. So
me hop around like me a frog.
I didn't mean it that way.
Well, thank God you didn't break it.
Yes, so, but he's doing much better now. I think he maybe, got a really, really bad sprain. Because if you look at it, it's still swollen at times if he's on it too long.
Okay.
I can't come on right.
That's the ceiling you're punching the hole in? Oh.
Come on, if you run the key.
Well, I believe God is going to work it out for me, Miss Michelle.
Yes, He will. He will. He will. We have to say that, we are thankful that the donors would have helped us to be able to purchase the solar lights for you.
Yes.
Because I know this has, this will go a far way.
Yes, this will go a far way for me.
Especially for the children.
Right over to the light.
Because when you think about, getting electricity and so on, that's very hard, considering the distance and all of that.
True, true.
Yes. So at the moment,
I am grateful.
Yes.
All right.
You got it? So when you want...
screw and a drill. Give me a screw, Jamel.
Let me help you with that. Oh, you good? You got it?
I'm thinking of saying I want to come hold this. You have to turn it upside down because I don't want the zinc cut this.
Okay.
The wire. Okay.
So just well, give me the next one. I'll just put it right there, so now.
Okay, the next panel. See there, Miss Rita.
Just put up the Thank you.
Chumel, hold the barrel good.
How screw them? Not that
Chumel
one,
have
Miss Rita.
them.
Not this.
One X package.
Oh, the screw that's that come.
You know, say look like it in a car trunk. You think me see it,
Yeah. So all of those that you have, no, but see, Miss Rita have something here.
one different package.
I don't know.
One you want that, miss?
No, this
No,
one.
that I want my pull. No man, one more up there. Keep to this.
So who is gonna go get that?
Oh Jesus.
Chumel said,
Tell me some man.
So we have to go get those. Lord have mercy.
I just say who I want outside, you know.
So can we improvise?
Yeah, I got you covered.
Please do.
I'm gonna go back up now. That's cool.
Don't know?
So put one next screw in this. Kaka, you can do that.
What happened to it?
Next one. Lock me lucky that's no spin. That's supposed to go now, you know.
Them look a bit firm, you know.
Alright, the light now. Under this area, so.
Can put it right there.
Right here.
Yes.
It make life easier for me, you know.
Because you don't have to come down and then climb up back.
Yeah. Well, give me one of them black something there. Let me tell you if you see it. Light. No, me go once.
Miss Rita, you have to go find as many cork as you can find. Hush. Probably mosquito. Yeah, do your fair share of work today. I'm telling you. Yeah, look for shorter ones.
No, a little bit longer, man. Look for. Come with the light, you man. Yeah. So my drip sweating.
Lord, watch your face straight.
One of them long. come up the one day.
Oh, you have.
This one I use to wall because it's too heavy.
Don't want to turn.
You can turn as much as you want to turn.
Boy.
Miss Rita, correct you. Light action camera. You say, what you say? Light action.
Camera.
Light on camera?
Yeah.
No, you said light action and she said camera. Right, Miss Rita?
Yes, man. Light him. He said light action and I said camera.
Right.
I remember what I say. I say something.
Lord help us.
The only one who said me this is something.
Hit for a man. Good job, Marcel. Good job. Well done. And the tremel. Miss Rita, look the cock. Yes, all right. So, Miss Rita, you're nice now.
Yes, thank you.
So, you have your outside light and you have one inside. You have to show her how to use the remote, Marcel, before. All right. And it seemed like it will rain, you know. You see how the time look overcast?
Yes. Because this we have traffic.
Oh, okay.
Yeah?
So that's you, Miss Rita. Light installed.
Thank you very much.
Yes, you're welcome.
The right and proper way?
What is Tremel doing?
Just sort out the light inside.
Really?
Oh, you can't do it.
I don't know. What you doing, Tremel?
I'm charging light.
When you fall off of that bucket.
You screwing it? Yeah. Oh, the wire want drop.
Oh, it want wrap up.
May I go back and take some outside?
Alright.
Tell me when to stop.
Okay.
I'm going to do some skill like that.
Okay, that's good. But that are the two remote?
Yeah.
Stop now, stop now.
It kind of too stiff.
It's too stiff, I think. So let down a little. That's it. Okay. No, you say hold on. Yeah. Look, yes, that good. All right. Welcome. It heavy?
The box.
The chef said the box heavy. She can't believe you bring it down.
Well, a simple thing that's ruined me already, my girl. Just a company side.
Here, Trevor. Miss Rita say you're new to the business.
Put them there in my bag, Trevor. Drill on the back of the school.
Okay, Miss Rita. So that's it.
Yes.
Oh, go get it now.
Rain.
The rain is coming. So, just want to all right, Miss Rita. So, that is it for now. Guys, so we would have installed the light. And so, Miss Rita is very grateful, I know.
Yes, I'm very grateful.
And I know the children will be excited when they come this evening.
To be very happy.
Right, because she was explaining that, they do homework very often, almost every night. So I just want to use the opportunity to say thanks again to our 2 donors from the UK, our anonymous donors. Thank you so much, and God bless you. And may your storeroom never be empty, because of what you have done, Miss Rita is now able to, you know, have some light, and the children will be happy as well. So I'm also using this opportunity to again make a plea on behalf of Miss Rita. So if you're watching us, and we'll post the last video we did down in the description area, so you can go and see it if you have not seen it. And if you feel so led and you're able to, we are asking you kindly to assist how you're able to. You know, Miss Rita, a lot of persons would have expressed, you know, concern about the distance, and if you were to get help, the material coming down and all of that. So, you know, we were thinking that, you know, even if it's just enough, if you're able to donate just enough so that we can just change the zinc, so we can cover the roof to that section, and a window and a door, that would suffice for now, right, Miss Rita?
2 windows.
2 windows.
And 2
so
doors.
2 windows and a door, and just
2 doors.
2 doors. Is 2 doors around there?
Yes.
All right, so 2 windows, 2 doors, and 2, you know, enough zinc and lumber to, you know, fix the roof. So if you're able to, please reach out to us on 876-512-4055. All right, God bless you. And Miss Rita, you have anything else you want to say?
Thanks to the donors for the light. Thanks a lot. I really appreciate it. And anything else anybody can give, I'll appreciate it. I really need the roof to fix so I can put the kids around there.
All right.
So I'm asking again, and thanks a lot.
Okay. All right, guys, so this is where we end the video for today, because it looks a bit overcast, so we don't want the rain to stop us down here. So we're trying to get up the hill back before it starts to rain. All right, so until next time, thank you so much for making it a Likkle Everything Jamaican. Blessed love. Bye-bye. Well, later, Miss Rita. All right, thank you. Oh, my gosh. The road slippery, so we can't really run up, and the rain is coming down. We should have get one stick. Like just to crouch in the ground, so you know. You stick it in the ground so that, oh, praise God. You have to hold it back, you know.